Welcome to another episode of Fishing Southern Maryland. Welcome to another episode of Fishing Southern Maryland. Just had a bite. What was it? Hey everyone. So it's a cold and dreary Sunday afternoon. I don't feel like watching football. So I've come back out to Calvert Cliffs State Park and I'm doing some lazy man fishing. I've cast my bait out. It's under a float. I've got my rod just sitting there on my box, waiting for the float to go down. Let's see if we catch anything. I think we've got a trout. That doesn't feel like a bluegill. That's a rainbow trout. So there's a trout still in here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh yeah, a little rainbow trout. Let's see if we can get a picture of you. Well, we're not gonna get a picture because you just fell off. There he goes, perfectly fine. Little rainbow trout here at Calvert Cliffs. One rainbow trout, I'll take it. Didn't get my hands on it though, but that's okay because I got him out of the water. Was getting ready to take the hook out of his mouth and it just fell out. Again, another conservation tip. Hold your fish over the water so it falls directly in there and not onto the ground. But hey, it was fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, tight lines.